Okay, this video is kind of a dual purpose video. I haven't shot one in 5-6 years. So I was going to try and do it with my phone. So you have to let me know how it looks. But this is my newest project. As you can tell, I'm project poor. But this is my latest acquisition. It's a 2013-10 DoAll vertical saw. I was wanting to get some shots of it before I took it apart, sandblasted it, restored it. It's in really good shape. Has some light pitting on top of the cover over the motor, but the rest of it's just surface. There's some flaking, I think, the original paint. This one appears to be in really good shape. It's not been abused. The guy told me he thought it come out of a CSX yard, and he said supposedly he thought it had a DC drive, so the employees didn't like using it for some reason. But it all seems to work. It's really smooth. I'll show you the mechanism. Nothing's frozen up. It's just been sitting outside for some time. It doesn't have a motor. It's missing. It goes up in there, that dark hole. It's kind of hard to see. It's laid out here. But that's it before I disassemble it. Hopefully that won't be too long. I can get it on the road. So just a quick video. I'm going to try and start doing some more. Hopefully with a better camera I've got now. Not this one, but another one. And hopefully I have some more videos of this. So, but that's it for now. I'm going to shoot some more when we disassemble it and see what we run up on and as we put it back together. Thanks for watching.